Let's firstly talk about the general specifications of Asus Zenfone 5 Pro. Operating system will be Android 8.0 Oreo, and it will be available in two colors: white, black, and red. Secondly, let's talk about the display of Asus Zenfone 5 Pro. 5.7 inches frameless Super AMOLED Full HD display with Gorilla Glass 6, and some sensors are accelerometer, proximity sensor, and fingerprint sensor. Thirdly, let's talk about the processor and the RAM of Asus Zenfone 5 Pro. Processor is going to be 2 GHz octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, whereas the RAM will be 8 GB. And fourthly, let's talk about the camera of Asus Zenfone 5 Pro. Rear camera will be dual cameras 16 megapixel, and front camera will be of 13 megapixel. Dual tone LED flash. Fifth, we will talk about storage of Asus Zenfone 5 Pro. The internally available storage will be 128 GB, and is non-expandable. 6. At last we shall get you noticed about the battery. The battery is 4100 mAh non-removable with quick charging. Moving forward now we shall discuss the price and release date of Asus Zenfone 5 Pro. The expected price is $1,000 that is 65,000 Indian rupees. And the release date shall be around June 2018.